Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Method 1. Using palm swipe to capture. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type palm swipe to capture and wait for the search results to appear. Step 4. After performing the search, find the palm swipe to capture option. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Tap the option to turn it on. To take a screenshot, swipe the edge of your hand across the screen, and the screenshot will be captured instantly. Method 2. Using quick settings. Step 5, the second method, go to quick settings, locate the take screenshot option, tap it, and capture your screen instantly. Method 3, using the button combination. Step 6, the third and last method, locate the power button and volume down button, press them at the same time, and take a screenshot instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.